You have to do something. Maybe you have to take it with sugar or something. Most of that's the side effect of having hearing impairment. So I don't know.
You didn't say that. You just say once in a week.
Yeah, like when you take it, you start having like hearing impairment. That's a side effect of hearing. So now I don't know.
Okay.
Mostly when you take it, there is sugar to take it.
Okay. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for the delay. I think I have a bad network, so
Ah.
I was not able to join. So I
Mm.
believe we can start something now since the network has let me in. Okay. So do you have any challenge with that assignment we had? I believe there is not a challenge. So we can just proceed for today's lessons and see how far we could go as we are already 14 minutes behind time.
Emmanuel,
Yes, please.
yeah, thank you for that question. I was just caught up. I failed to do that assignment. So I can't tell whether it was having a challenge or not. I got too busy and even moved too much. So sorry about that. We can proceed, but I will also find time and do it backwards. In case I face any challenge, I will report to you. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for the feedback.
Thank you.
So today we are going to be talking about one of the loop one of the sorry.
I didn't know that I'm in the meeting. Sorry, because I was hearing music. Oh, nice. Good evening. Thank you for creating the chance for today.
Okay. Good
Chief,
evening to you.
I have one thing to mention. Because of my travel, I can't join this week, Wednesday and Friday. And after next week, I will be on vacation. That's why I can't join as well. But I will be so happy when you can, yeah, put it on in the group or maybe the video or something.
It's okay, no challenge.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, so in the previous class, we were looking at the loop statements where we made mention of, we said there are two loop statements in Python, the while loop and the for loop. So in the previous class, we talked about the while loop. So today we are going to be discussing about the while loop statement. And in the while loop, we said the while loop is an infinite loop that once a condition is satisfied, it loops infinitely. It loops forever for a longer period of time without stoppage. Otherwise, you will have to stop the loop statement before it breaks, else it continue looping, iterating. So today we want to look at the for loop statement, and just like the if statement that we used before, and also the while loop statement, there is one thing we need to know, that every loop statement and conditional statement ends with a column. Every if statement and conditional statement ends with a column. So that is something we need to know. And then also, when we started this particular topic, we talked about indentation. Indentation, where you paragraph your code to give you what one by just pressing the tab button in the keyboard, and it gives you the right indentation, a one-step indentation. Or when you write your conditional statement, it will, and then you put the column at the end, and then you hit enter on the
Excuse me?
keyboard. It will just indent it for you automatic, and then you continue typing.
Excuse me? Please, I
Yes,
can't
please.
see your screen. Are you
Yeah,
streaming this?
I have not shared my screen. I want to share the screen right now.
Mm.
So I want to share my screen with you so you could. Okay, let me share the screen for you to see.
Thank you.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so just like I said, that the loop statement makes use of a column. We are going to see how we could write a program that will display all the characters. To see how we could write a program to display all the characters in a string. For instance, if we say, let's say maybe game equal to football. That's a string. So we want to see how we could display all the characters in that string. So we can simply say for
The
For
screen
I-
is freezed. Sorry about that.
pardon me.
The screen is freezed. Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
There's a freeze.
A freeze on my own screen or yours?
Yours. Jackson.
My screen is freezing.
Yes, Jackson, are you there?
Yeah, I'm
Can you
wondering.
see?
I'm seeing, but he has not typed anything.
Yeah, it's a screen, right?
I have
Yeah.
typed something. Can you see my screen now?
Freeze.
I've
No,
typed
there's a
something.
freeze.
We can't
It's
see
freeze.
what you
It's
have
freeze.
typed.
Sorry?
We can't see what you have typed. We just see the cursor is not blinking. There is nothing typed. That's why Leonard is saying maybe it is freezing.
Can you see now?
No.
Not
Can
yet.
you see the thing I typed on my screen now?
No. You still have nothing on your screen, according to us.
No, actually, there's Python, but it's the first picture what we have saw what we saw. Yeah.
Okay, I've stopped sharing. Let me share again. Maybe you could see this time.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see now?
I'm still waiting.
Can you
It's
see my
loading.
screen now?
It's loading. Yeah, I can see.
Yes. It has come now.
You can see very well now.
Please move the cursor
You can
because I think it's another freeze.
Can you see my screen now?
For I in game, print I. That's what you have written there.
Okay, yeah, that's the code I've written. So I was saying we want to use the for loop statement to write a program that prints all the characters in a string.
Game
That was the
equals,
question. A program. Sorry?
it starts from game equals football, right?
Yes. I said we are writing a program that will display all the characters in a string. So I declare a string called game And then in the game, I put in football to be the string, the characters in the string. So I now want to use the for loop statements where I say for I in game. This I, you can call it anything. You can say for K, you can say for whatever variable name you want to call it. You can say for Y, you can say for joy, whatever you want to call it, you can just give it and then you print joy here. So
Okay.
this will print all the characters in game one by one. It will list them out if I run this. So let's wait for the, you see now, it has printed this, printed all the characters in this, in this. So it goes in, well, whenever you are using that for loop statement, it goes into the container, into the variable, and then pick the characters one by one to display, just as if you are doing probability. You pick one,
But
maybe you
why
have a
for
basket of
joy?
fruits.
For joy in
Sorry?
game, print for joy in game, print joy, and then it prints every letter. But I don't understand why joy. Print joy.
Yeah, I said that joy is a variable, just as we say game. You can call
Just
this game
X
anything. Yes,
for
you can
X.
call this X. You can call it anything you want to call. Then you also print X here. Do you
Yeah, yeah,
understand?
yeah. I've understood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can call it I, can say for I, you can just declare any variable of your choice there. It works.
Okay.
So, and you see from this output, the result is displayed vertically. You want it horizontal. You want it to be in one line, not vertically like this. So you can put command here and then you with this. So if you rerun this code, if you rerun this code, we are going to have the character display in one line instead of the way it was displayed initially. Is that clear?
Interesting.
And what?
Okay. Sorry?
Then on end, yeah?
Yeah, the end exit, the end makes it to display it horizontally instead of vertical. So if you remove the end, it's going to display it vertically instead of horizontally. So we want it horizontal and not vertical. That's why we added the end. And then moving away from this, we want to write a program. Write a program that will display programming is fun 10 times. A program that will display programming is fun 10 times. So we can simply say, can do away with this. Can say for X in range 10, then print programming is fun. Okay, welcome back.
What are you go up to?
I'm in for some class.
Name for me.
For me, no.
Okay, that. You are helping us to be that.
So now, if this code is going to print out this. So I run this new one. So you can see this. So print this for 10 times because these print statements affect this is under the loop statements. So, and we have given it a range 10. So that's why it has printed this. If you want it 100 times, you just put it here and then you run this code. It will do the same thing. Print it the number of times you want. So that is a simple program to print program phone.
Mm. Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's clear.
It is
Okay.
interesting because
So
we have two. We have as well a statement called length for the length of a word, right? Or of a sentence. Length.
okay, let us write another simple program.
Mm.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's write a simple program that will output all the multiples of 3 between 9 and 20. A program that will display the multiple of 3 between 9 and 20.
Okay.
For I in range or for X in range, what range? Okay, let me go away with this. Range. Say the first one. Remember we said of 3 between 9 and 20. So we are going to a range. The starting point is 9 and where we want it to end is 20.
Mm.
That means we want it between 9 and 20. And then what is the step? We want it to be counting reach. That is a step.
Mm.
That is how it's going to get the multiple. That is going to start between 9 and 20 is going to be 9. 9 plus 3, that is 11 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17. That is the range is going to give us. So we now say print X. So if you run this, see the output between 9 and 20. Yeah, that's it. So it's starting 9. 9 plus 3.
Print A for X in range 9, 20, 3. Ah, how does it understand it to be multiples?
Is that understood?
No.
Are we together?
No.
Is there any challenge there?
Yes. I don't understand why for X in range 9, 23 prints out 9, 12,
Okay.
15,
I said,
18.
okay. The program is write a program that we print out the multiples of
9.
between 9 and of
Yes.
3 are those numbers that can be divisible by 3 without any remainder between 9 and 20. So we are 18. So if add 3 again to 18, it will go beyond 20. But the range was given between 9 and 20. That's why I stopped at 18. Because if you add 3 again to 20, I mean to 18, it's going to give 21, which is above the range that was given it. So it has to stop between the interval that is
Yeah.
in the, and this is the start. is. Assuming you want it to count in twos, we change here to 2. Want it to count 9 plus 2, 11 plus 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, and then 17 plus 2, 19. That is the most of 2 between 9 and 20.
I understand now. I
Okay,
understand.
moving away from that, if there is no question. Okay.
Please.
Have you
So,
printed the first
write a
print?
program that will capitalize all the vowel letters in a sentence. Sorry?
First print the other one. 920.
I didn't get you.
Did you print the other one?
Okay, between 3.
Between 9 and 20. The multiples of 2.
Yeah, that's between multiples of 3 between 9 and 20.
That one was done. You changed it to 2 there, right? You didn't print.
Are you with me?
I'm with you. I am here.
Okay. All right, so this one said, the next one said, write a program that will capitalize all the vowel letters in a sentence. A program that will capitalize all the vowel letters in a sentence. That is to say, all the vowel letters, all the vowel sound, if it appear anywhere in a sentence, it will change them to capital letters. So what you first do is you declare a variable that contains all the vowel letters so that it will be able to change them to capital letters. So we start by saying vowel equal to, let's create this, we list all the vowels. We list all the vowels. And then now says sentence. To impute enters sentence. Enter sentence. So we say for letter in sentence. For letter in sentence, if letter in vowel prints later dot upper. Else I say pass. So now what does this do? This first one will go into this sentence, just like we say we pick.
If letter in, if letter in sentence, print. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Emmanuel is missing.
Yeah.
He has dropped again.
Now we are alone.
Mm. You start
Mm.
teaching.
No, please. You are the elder here. You need to teach me.
You take over.
I think he has very bad connection.
Yeah, his connection is not good. It has been disturbing you.
I hope it is okay that he teaches us because we don't give him something for it.
You think so?
Mm.
You can give him joy
Joy.
and satisfaction.
Yeah, I think it's a good feeling when people are learning from you.
Yeah, it is. That is a teacher's second pay.
Mm. Good. Good word. Good word. Good wording.
Sorry, my 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 network went off. So can you hear me?
Mm.
Yes.
Sorry, my network went off.
No problem.
So now,
Vowel, print.
Letter dot upper.
so do you understand this?
This is an interview, so this is a boy. A.
Yes. Else.
This else you cannot declare a loop statement and leave it open or empty. The same thing with conditional statement. So
Okay.
if you don't have anything to put, if you don't have anything to type, you can say pass. This pass is a keyword in Python. Whenever you type pass, Python will understand that you don't want anything to display. But if you leave this place open, it's going to bring an error. See, you can see the red line here. So you have to include pass, or you can say print something. You can just print anything. So, or you can let's say you print a sentence.
I have a question. Can we add to print letter upper maybe and so the numbers the letters will be not
Yeah, you can put to
vertically?
you can just put to print anything of your choice you want to print.
No, I
But
mean
you
like
don't
letter dot upper and then and you know that because then the letters will be not printed as vertically.
sorry.
Um,
You want it horizontal?
and yes, yes, like and yes,
Y-
exactly that.
yes, you can add it. Can add that. Then you run the code again. See? Goes horizontal instead of vertical.
Okay, okay. Sentence, letter.
Even this, the guy don't want it, right? I don't know why.
Are we good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay.
So
So it meant that you only print the vowels, yeah? Not the whole sentence.
yes,
Will be
yes,
localized.
yes.
Okay. Uh, okay.
Mm.
And Also, there's what we call nested loop. Nested loop or nested if when there is a loop inside another loop. For instance, this is a loop statement. If we have another loop here, maybe another for here, a loop inside a loop, and it's called nested loops.
Okay.
Of them you could like us to solve.
Pardon?
As among the question I posted as an assignment, is there anyone you could like us to try?
Which time?
It's in,
Sorry?
Where is
Okay.
it?
hard to see something in the
Maybe
group.
since there's not getting you.
Where is the question?
I posted in the group chat.
Hey, we haven't checked.
Okay, let's try this. Have you seen?
Mr. The screen is freezed. Sorry.
I've not seen.
Leonard, are you still with me?
I'm with you. Can you
Yes.
hear me?
I said,
Yes,
have you seen the question I've just posted?
In the group?
Yes.
It's not seen.
It's not there?
Yes, I can see that.
You said you put it on the group chat?
Yes, in the WhatsApp group.
Hey.
Right.
Or should I put it? Let me put it on Teams chat.
Write a program that will tell that any number by the user is an even number.
Okay, you've seen it now. You've seen the question?
Yes.
Teams chat.
Okay, the question. I've just put it on Teams now.
Yes, now it has come.
So, right.
Write a program that will tell that n number by the user is an even number, marked of 5, or belongs to both groups.
Okay, so let's write a simple program for that for the assignment question I sent.
Okay. Mm,
So let's try to solve it. So let's say number
mm.
equal to, we can cast this, the input, please enter a number.
There's a freeze. Emmanuel,
Are you able to see my screen?
unfortunately not.
It is there, but it is frozen. Nothing.
Yeah. Let me try again.
Hmm.
Can you see now?
It's coming. Still loading.
Can you see my screen now?
Almost.
It's still coming.
It's still loading.
Yeah.
It's still working.
But maybe you can dictate what we need to program. Because I already wrote number equals
You
to
can,
int.
integer input, please enter a number. Can you see that and continue?
No, but I wrote it. I wrote it. I can't see it, but I wrote it. I can continue.
Okay, let me stop the sharing and then share again and see how it goes. Now,
It's loading. Emma? Emma? Jackson?
are you able to see the screen?
No. Emma?
Can you see?
I can't see. Emma, I have a question to you.
Okay.
Is it, will you give us class the next week in that place where you are right now? So will that connection be continue Will it be the connection for the next weeks?
Yeah, I'm leaving this place by tomorrow, so I'm going to be next from
Ah, all right.
going to be in a different. Yeah.
Hmm. I can't see.
So can you
It's
see
still
my
loading. It's still loading.
this is bad.
Hmm. Yes. Not good. Not good at all.
It's not still better now.
Hmm. Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah.
Did you say it's better now?
Yes. If
So you can see my
number.
screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't
And you are
see.
seeing the
Is it only on
sorry?
my side? I can't see the screen still. What is the problem?
It is there.
Leonard, you can see?
Yes.
Wow. So the problem is on my.
I think you need to find the screen of on Teams. It is there. Write a program that will tell any number the user has an even number multiply 5 or belongs to both
Okay,
groups.
okay, Leonard. Leonard,
Yes.
let me stop sharing. You share your screen. Let me see if it's going to reflect in my side.
Wait. I didn't write it. I need to write it down first.
No, you just share your screen.
Just share your screen. Just share your screen.
Nothing
You will
works.
not stop sharing, huh? Okay, no problem. Uh, share. Screen. All right.
Yeah,
Where is it?
Yes, it can come.
No, now yours is not there anymore.
so what is happening to mine?
But you were
Okay,
you
It's network.
it was there.
I think it's network that is disrupting me. So you can stop sharing. Let me try to share mine again. Is it okay now?
Yes, it has come, finally.
Okay, so the question was write a program that will tell you that any number entered is an even number or is a multiple of 5 or belongs to both groups. And an even number is a number that can divide with 2 without a remainder. The same thing, multiple of 5 number divided by 5 without a remainder. And remember, we talked about operators where we mentioned modulus. So we said a number, you declare a number here as a variable, enter a number, and then we pick that number entered, we divide it by 2, and then this modulo, this percentage sign is considering the remainder. So if we divide that number by 2 and the remainder is 0, that means the number is an even number. And then if you also pick that number and divide by 5 and the remainder is 0 as well, we say that number is a multiple of 5. And then if we pick that number and divide by 2, the remainder is 0, and also divide that same number by 5, the remainder is 0. We say the number is both even number and also a multiple of 5. But what if the number we divide does not follow any of these rules we have set? You can say else. You can say number is not multiple of 5. Is not a multiple of 5 nor an even number. Not an even number. So let us run this code and see what is going to happen. So here I will enter 3. You see now 3 is not a multiple of 5 nor an even number. So if I run the code again, and then I put 4. See now 4 is an even number. And then which number can be an even number and also a multiple of 5? Let's say 10. 10 is a good example. I can do that. 10. So 10 is an even number and also a multiple of 5. Why this doesn't come up to this level is because the first condition is satisfied. The first condition is satisfied. That's why only that has to display. For instance, if we should take this up here, then this one down here, the condition will work a bit better. Let us run this again. And then what if we put something like 2 before we go back to that? Say is an even number and multiple of 5. That is not okay. So let's try 10. Not correct for the group set there. Okay, this is right. 10 is an even number. So let's reverse this down here. Okay. So that's
Why
that
is
is
10
the
no longer a multiplier of 5?
sorry.
Why is 10 no longer a multiplier of 5 and now just an
Okay.
even number?
That is because the way this code runs is from top to the bottom. So once the first condition is satisfied, it will not go to the next condition. So since this one here is the first condition stated, it will not be able to get up to this point. It won't get to this level. The program will stop here because the first condition has been satisfied at this point. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So
But
let us say, sorry, okay.
how can we reach then is an even number and multiplier of 5? How can we reach this? Because it will stop every time at even number and it will not go and will not move on to the aleph is an even number and multiplier of 5.
Okay, you can look for a way around here. You can say maybe this equal to this. Let's try to look for a way to mitigate around that corner to see how it's going to work out. Let's say if number 0 and number 5 is, say this one is this. And we can just before we come to this, see how that is going to work out.
Akbar,
Let's say 10. Sorry,
I can't see.
I
I can't
believe
see.
that works. That's work, right? Yeah,
It's just a freeze.
very well. Yeah, so since the other condition doesn't allow the condition below it to be reached, look for a way to take the condition below up so that the other one, the up, can always be reached. And if we put 4, is it now 4 is an even number because the first two conditions are. So the stop works. And then we talked about while loop. We can talked about while. We can simply put while loop statements here under a while loop. Space this, give it an indentation, then say while true. While true there. If we put this, let's say 10. Number, you are not going to rerun the code. You're not running the and you just keep on typing on loop. This is an infinite loop. So it will going.
Excuse me,
Just go like that.
Emma, I can't
Sorry?
see the screen. I can't see. It's a freeze.
Yes.
It's frozen.
I think the network is bad.
Yeah, your network seems to be bad. Eh?
Hello, Mr. Jackson.
Yes. I'm also unable to see your changes.
Can you see the thing?
I see the screen,
Okay,
but what you're typing is not appearing.
I've posted the code. I've sent the code to Teams chats and on WhatsApp.
Let's check.
I don't know anyone you allow me. I have sent it on Teams and also on WhatsApp. You could look at it from there.
Okay.
Posted, but going to be posted.
Yeah, I can see. I can see. Function number and input. Yeah, if number. Ah, okay.
You can see
Okay.
my screen,
So
or you
so
see.
you changed. Yeah. Now I can see your screen better. Yes. Now I can see the changes. If number and number. Aha. Okay. Is it an even number and so you have changed the the order.
Yeah. So with that, that is where we are going to stop for today. If there is no more question,
Okay,
pause
thank you.
there and continue from there. And then also check out the other assignment I posted the other time. Check if we could attempt some things from there, and then by next time we shall be talking about arrays, that is container data types. We'll be talking about the tuple, the list, the dictionaries, and the rest of them. So,
Okay.
there, if there's no question, then we should attend.
As I said I can't attend the
Is there a
next meetings.
question?
As I said, I can't attend the next meeting, but I will do the assignments, okay?
Is
I
all
will
right
do the
then.
homework.
No challenge.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, bye.
Thank you, too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Okay, Mr. Jackson.
Yes, thank you, Emmanuel, for
Good
your
evening,
time.
sir, and good night.
All right, thanks a lot. Same to you.
Yeah.